This is the Clipex Heavy-Duty Yard System. Now it's designed specifically to handle cattle safer, easier and faster. It's broken up into 3 systems. So we've got the Bugle here at the start, moving into the Rotary Force, and then the 180-degree race. Now the cattle are coming through here to start with. As you can see, everything is fully sheeted to minimize what the cattle can see. So that way they want to flow around the corner here, leading into the Rotary Force. And even though it has the word force, we want the cattle to flow by themselves and come around that corner. So the Rotary Force is either pneumatically operated, either manually or through remote. And as you're pushing those cattle around, we've got the heavy-duty sliding gate, which again is pneumatically operated, leading into the curved sheeted race. The cattle are flowing up through there. At all points, I've got control from either here or a remote to be operating those gates. Now this is a full Rotary Force. What that means is that we're able to, this first gate, able to bring that all the way around. Once the cattle have pushed through, we're able to operate that sliding gate from this end. We don't need to bring that gate all the way back around. It can actually continue to come through and the next gate disengage and catch the next cattle. So we don't have to be pushing cattle backwards and forwards. We can keep that flow and that efficiency continuous. We have a walkway that follows the complete outside of the tub system here that gives you full access to the cattle, and using the remote we can operate this pneumatic slide gate at any stage. So if I want to be pushing the cattle up through here, I'm happy with where the cattle are, they're up the race, I can be operating this remote. This is the Clipex 180-degree adjustable curved sheeted race. So it's all hot-dipped galvanized after construction. You'll see the first panel is fully sheeted. This is to stop the cattle from seeing the user using the crush. From the onset, it looks like a fairly standard curved sheeted race with fully sheeted external, half sheeted internal to give you access to the cattle. But it's actually adjustable in 2 different positions. Just with this pneumatic switch here, this door will move across to limit that gap, and all these doors will move into the second position for larger animals. As you can see here with these gaps, as that comes forward, there's no gaps here for cattle to get caught on anything or for light to be coming through. So in both positions, there's minimal gaps. As the cattle come around, we have another sliding gate as part of the system. Again, that's hooked up onto a remote, so very easily operate. We also have our adjustable straight race section. Now this is very important when wanting to adjust your flow into your crush. You can see down the bottom here, it is fully adjustable from both sides on a ratchet plate. So that width is, again, it's fully adjustable from both sides.